Welcome back to the only place where tech myths go to die a fiery, fact-check death. We're not afraid to tackle the tough questions and expose the hidden truths behind the latest tech trends. So buckle up, because today, we're diving deep into the murky waters of VPN anonymity. If you're browsing with a VPN thinking, I'm totally invisible online, a digital ghost gliding through the internet, pause right there. Hold on a second. Let's pump the brakes on that train of thought. Today, I'm busting the myth of VPN anonymity once and for all. We're gonna dissect what VPNs actually do, what they don't do, and how much privacy they provide. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future truth drops. We've got a whole lineup of myth-busting episodes coming your way. So let's start with the basics. What does a VPN actually do? What's the real purpose behind it? A VPN, or virtual private network, creates a secure encrypted tunnel for your data, shielding it from prying eyes as it travels across the internet. Think of it as a secret passage for your online activity. It hides your IP address and can make it look like you're browsing from a different location, bouncing your signal through servers around the globe. That's awesome for enhancing your privacy, unlocking streaming content that's normally restricted, or bypassing those annoying geo-blocks that prevent you from accessing certain websites. But here's the key, the part you absolutely need to understand. A VPN does not mean total anonymity. It's not a magic bullet that makes you completely untraceable. It's more like wearing sunglasses online. Some things are hidden, like your IP address, but you're definitely not invisible. You're still leaving digital footprints. Even with a VPN diligently running in the background, websites and apps can still track you with cookies, those little data packets that websites use to remember your preferences and track your browsing habits. App permissions, which you grant to apps allowing them to access your location, contacts, and other personal information. Browser fingerprinting, a sneaky technique that creates a unique profile of your browser based on your settings, extensions, and other factors. And of course, the info you willingly share on social media, online forums, and pretty much everywhere else online. Plus, and this is crucial, not all VPNs are created equal. There's a huge range in quality and security. Free ones might log your activity, meaning they're keeping track of everything you do online, and some have even sold user data to third parties. Yep, that really happened, multiple times. It's a serious breach of trust and a stark reminder that you need to be careful about which VPN you choose. So, if a VPN alone isn't enough, how do you get closer to achieving real anonymity online? What steps can you take to protect your digital privacy? Start by using a trusted no-log VPN. Look for VPN providers with a proven track record and a clear commitment to protecting your privacy. Pair it with a privacy-focused browser like Brave or Firefox, configured with privacy-enhancing extensions. Regularly clear your cookies, browsing history, and app permissions. Make it a habit to clean up your digital footprint. And most importantly, exercise caution and don't overshare personal info while surfing the web. Think before you click and be mindful of the information you're putting out there. Bottom line, VPNs significantly boost your privacy and security online, but they're definitely not a magic cloak of invisibility that makes you completely undetectable. Want true anonymity? You gotta layer up your security measures and adopt a holistic approach to online privacy. If this video opened your eyes to the realities of VPN anonymity, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for tomorrow's episode. We'll be diving into a hot topic. Is 5G technology dangerous for your health? We'll explore the science, separate fact from fiction, and give you the information you need to make informed decisions. Trust me, you absolutely won't want to miss it. It's going to be a fascinating and informative discussion. See you then.